Hello everyone. Hi, all the students of 6 standards. Yesterday we learned information about the Himalayan ranges or the route which is used to carry the trades or the commodities from India to Asian countries or European countries. Also, that same route was used by Chinese traders also, but that route was called as a silk route because mostly what is that silk was carried by that route. So that route or that path is also called as a silk route or the silk road. Today we will learn the next one point, that is the plain of the Sindhu, Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers. These are the major or important river from India, and along with that many cities are also on the bank of these rivers. So these rivers are very important. Ganga river basin is also a lot of fertile rich area. So we'll see the plain region of these rivers. This region consists of the basin of the three big rivers: Sindhu, Ganga, Brahmaputra and their tributaries. So these are three major rivers are there, and also along with that their tributaries, some another small rivers which are joined, which they miss which are the another small rivers they join to the Ganga river or Brahmaputra rivers. This region extends from the Sindh, Punjab in the west to the present day Bangladesh in the east. So tributaries of these three rivers or the plain river is extended from that of Bangladesh. It is Punjab. From Punjab, it is extended up to the Bangladesh into the eastern side. It was in this region that earliest Indian civilization of Harappa and the later states and empires of ancient India emerged at. So in this Sindh region or in these basins, in these rivers basin, earliest civilizations which was called Misa in our country, Harappan civilization is considered as one of the most ancient civilization in India. So this Harappan civilization is also flourish on the bank of the Ganga river basin there. So this is information about the river and their tributaries or the river basin there. Next, Thar desert. The Thar desert spread across Rajasthan. Mostly, if you see that in front of us, if someone take the name of the Rajasthan, then first of all we'll think about the desert area or desertification. So the Thar desert, mostly it is occupied in the Rajasthan regions and some part of the Haryana and some part of the Gujarat. If you see that Thar desert, it is occupied by Rajasthan, Haryana and Gujarat. All these three states, there are some of the part of these three states, it is in the Thar desert, or Thar desert is occupied by these three regions. Along with that, a part of desert lies in today's Pakistan and some part of this desert, it is lies in Pakistan. So Pakistan share its boundaries toward the northern side of the Kashmir region, and along with that the Rajasthan side or the Gujarat side also we can see that. So the desert has the Satluj river to its north. So this Thar desert has the Satluj river to the northern side of this desert. Satluj river is there. The Aravalli mountain ranges to the its eastern side. That Aravalli mountain ranges are there to the eastern side of this desert. Along with that, the Rana of the Kutch to its south and the Indus or the Sindhu river to its west. So Kutch Akat is also famous there, and along with that Indus Valley or the Sindhu river to the western side of this desert there. So the Ghaggar river that originate in the Himachal Pradesh reaches to the Thar desert. So Ghaggar, this river originated from the Himachal Pradesh, and this river at last it reached to the Thar desert there. So in Thar desert, that Ghaggar river, this name is used to recognize, to identify the river which is originated into the Himachal Pradesh. But when it reached to the Thar desert here, there the same river is called as the Hakra in Pakistan also that. So its courses in the Rajasthan and Pakistan has now dried up. but these rivers, what the courses are there in present time, this river has dried up there. In the course, its courses in the Rajasthan, it is dried now in present time. Many sites of the Harappan civilization are situated along the this dry river in present time. So what are the sites are there? Harappan civilization old sites are there. These sites now also present time we can see, or they found on the bank of this Thar or the Hakra rivers. So this is information about the Thar desert of our country. Tomorrow when you come, then tomorrow we'll see the Deccan Plateau.